Hey guys, doing this quick little video on repairing or trying to fix a overhead liner on my truck. This is the product that I'm gonna use. I bought it at Home Depot, but I'm pretty sure you could probably get it at Amazon or any other hardware store. So the thing that I have going on my truck will be that my headliner is sagging. As you can see right here in the on the driver's side, and especially on the passenger side, over time is just getting worse and worse. So what I'm gonna do is shake it up real good. I'm gonna stick the product inside here and I'm gonna spray it going backwards. Let's see. Once you spray it, you push it upwards so it can stick. You're pretty much bending, not bending it, but putting it back in place how it was. As you can see right here, is way better than how it was. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and we're gonna go for another round. Right? All right. Get another spray. Try not to spray it too much, because then if you spray it too much, it'll penetrate the headliner and you'll get glue all over your hands and they'll be showing the product. As you could tell, it's a lot better than how it was. All right guys, so as you can see, it's way better than how it was. Remember, try not to spray that much product, because if you spray too much, you're gonna mess up the fabric. And right now it's smooth. I didn't mess up the fabric or nothing. So right here on this last piece, I'm gonna try to take the easy way out because I don't want to remove all the trim off the truck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray and tuck. Which you could grab any plastic credit cards that you have laying around that you don't want no more. As you can see, I could just tuck it in, which I already sprayed a little bit right here, and I'm gonna spray a little bit over here in the corner so you can see. Remember, a little bit goes a long way. Oh, snap. So we're almost done here. as you can see, that's the final product, which has turned out pretty good. Right now, I'm gonna just grab a wet clog and try to take this little overspray that I sprayed on the trim. And other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. So now that we're done with the passenger side, we're gonna work ourselves to the driver's side. As you can see, the driver's side is not as bad as the passenger was, but it's still pretty bad. And like I said, I'm trying to take the easy way out, the lazy way out. I don't want to remove no trim. Remind you, on this one, it was hanging so I could stick my hand inside there and spray. So on this one, there's no way I could get in, right? Now I'm not trying to remove the trim. So I'm hoping that if I grab it and try to pull it, it'll come. Oh, there it is. Little pull. So now I'm making it worse on purpose so my hand could fit in here with my product that I'm gonna spray. And like I said, guys, I'm taking the easy way out. The proper way of doing it, you might want to put tape on your trim. You might want to have a cardboard box so you won't overspray, nothing else. But I've done this before and I feel comfortable doing it this way. But if it's your first time doing it, cover your trim with plastic. I mean with tape. Grab a cardboard box, cut it out, and so you won't spray any other part that you don't want to spray, the overspray. Right? But I feel comfortable doing it this way. That's why I'm doing it this way. So let's see. Alright, guys. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing as I did to the other side. I'm gonna put in my hand in here, spray it, and that's pretty much it. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so this is the final product. As you can see, the passenger side is nice. The driver's side is also nice. So hope this video helps you guys if you're trying to fix or repair your headliner. Thanks.